Alright mga katrops, welcome back to our channel. Yeah. Ito yung yeah.
I buy this one.
Yeah, you buy that one. Ito yung continuation ng aming Shuttle Tour Adventure Exploration. Itong pinuntahan namin ay Target to mga katrops. Sa hindi pa nakakalam kung ano yung Target, sa department store. Meron dati sa Canada, ngayon I think mga 10 years ago na wala na. Kasi nag-close na yung Target doon. Meron dati doon sa Grand Prairie, meron doon Target eh. Ngayon wala na talaga sa buong Canada. Maghahanap tayo ng mga kwan dito. Kasi mura yung mga bilihin dito sa Target eh. Alam mo kasi mga katrops, ang maganda dito sa Target na to, sa Seattle, nasa gitna siya ng malalaking building. So yung ambience ang lupit. Tara, at mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito. Tingnan mo to, meron silang mga 30%. Yan. Alright, so samahan nyo kami mga katrops at itutur namin kayo sa Target Seattle downtown.
It's the boat we are gonna like it.
So what? Okay, come on. Oh, this is the one. Oh, see the level 3 mga katrops.
Level 3 is like the appliances and stuff.
Yeah.
2 is like the general stuff. Like,
Yeah. Oh, see? You can buy here wine or like whatever in level 2. Yeah.
Level 1 is like check out and stuff.
Yeah. See? So may tatlong level dito sa Target
But
mga
did you
katrops.
know this is actually the main floor and this is the basement?
The basement, yeah.
I'll show you later.
Yeah, later. Yeah, see? Good job, Marlene. Okay, mga katrops. This area is, what is this? I think this is the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen. So, let's go check first here the kitchen. So, kitchen area. What we can find here in the kitchen area. Yeah, katrops. Let's go find it. See? Oh, wow. Look at that.
Can we go buy toys?
Yeah, let's go find it. You guys shoot on mga katrops. What's the kitchen? Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Oh look, there's a vacuum. Look at that.
Oh yeah, let's go play with it.
Yeah, mga katrops, sa Target mayroon silang mga kitchen appliances dito mga katrops. Ito naman mga kwan. Yan. See? Oh, improvement. Yeah, see, clearance. That's what we want here. Ang laki ng Target nito mga katrops sa Seattle. There's a third. Oh, what?
Is that Satchel?
Yeah. Yeah, third floor. Yeah. How many floors? Seattle.
Yeah, Seattle.
Yeah, come on, let's go find the toys. Maybe over here.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that side is the baby section. Let's go there.
No.
Let's go to the baby section. Hey, we gotta shoot at the mga katrops. What's in there in the baby section in the Target Seattle's mga katrops.
Let's go back to it.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah. Kid, look, it seemed like you before. Oh look, that's the diapers over here this side. Oh yeah. I think this Target is all about completes from A to Z. Look at that view mga katrops from outside of the Target. Woo! This is amazing Target time that I've been here in the USA. Right? See? It's in the middle of the building. What?
This is the first Target over 2
Yeah.
This is the first Target.
Okay, come on, let's go to the
Toy section.
section. Go run, go find it. See? Go find it.
Let's go buy some toys.
Yeah, let's go buy some toys.
Yeah.
Yay!
I want to go buy my stuff.
Yeah, it's elevator.
No, don't go there. Go buy
Oh, let's go, let's go.
I think there's toys just right there.
Okay, go. Don't touch the wheel.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. I think over there is the appliances section.
Don't touch that. Let's go touch that later.
Yeah, Mama is over there. That
Mama
side.
said truth.
Yeah.
Let's go check that later.
Yeah, let's go check out that later, okay? Come here, okay, this way.
Let's go. Yeah, after toys, let's go check that electronic stuff.
Yeah, electronics section. Are you sure, Dime?
Yeah, please go.
Yeah.
Let's check too.
Yes. Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, mga katrops, oh.
Target TV.
Yeah.
Target TV.
The Target TV. It's all about Target, Dime. Go, check.
It's Target electronic.
Electronics Target. Kayo tired or what? No?
Come on.
Nakita mo itong Target ito, mga katrops. Where's the toys? Oh, show me.
More toys.
There's no toys.
No.
Are you sure? I don't think so. Oh, look, there's a TV here.
Yeah, let's go check that later.
Oh, yeah, let's check out later.
Oh yeah, I found it.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's sporting goods. Come on, let's go. Mga pang sporting
Oh
dito,
yeah,
mga
I
katrops.
see it close here.
Where? This area is a sporting goods
Oh
dime.
yeah, I found it.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, see? I think this Target is complete time because there's a toys, there's a bikes. Hey. Go. Oh, ang daming palang toys. Yeah. You like it? It's your birthday? Okay. Wow, look at that. Yes. This is Dime's favorite. The Hot Wheels. How can you find it? Because we're gonna find yeah, Kathleen, the Barbies. Where's here for the Barbie? Oh yeah, over here. Look at the Barbie. You have money?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This for Barbie. Where's the Barbie for Kathleen? Right there? Oh. Wow, look at that Barbie. You like it, Kathleen? Huh? You like it? This one? You like this one? The baby? Oh. How about this one? That didn't behind. Oh wow, look at that. You want that? Are you sure? It's talking or no? I think it's talking. Wow, this is for baby Kathleen. Oh yeah. You have money? How about you? Go find your toys. Only $10, okay? Oh look, it's Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel stole it $12. This is good, Kathleen. See, you press the button right here. Oh! Wait for this one. You don't like it? Wow, look at that.
Let's go check the watch boxes.
Yeah. You like it, Kathleen? You go find it. That's yours? Yeah. Okay, come on.
Let's go check the watch boxes.
You go find it. Wow, nabudol na naman mga katrops. Go find it here, see? It's just a big one over here. You try it, You try it. Yeah. So, saglit lang mga katrops kasi magulo to eh. Ito yung maganda dito sa Target mga katrops eh. Kasi yung mga damit na dito, yung kukulot ito mo. There's lang SpongeBob SquarePants. Tapos yung mga, yung mga Guns N' Roses, Metallica, Bob Marley, Nirvana. Ang kulit. At ano-ano pa. Oo, yan mo, kukulit o. Yan. Ang kulit ng mga design nila dito mga katuts eh. At $14 lang plus 30% discount pa daw. So, okay na itong deal na to mga katuts dito sa Target. Yeah? What are you doing? You're so happy. Ito maganda ito, Force Bank ito. Ang kulit nito, yun, no? Ang galing. Yan, yan mo mga t-shirt. Yan. Kaya kung gusto nyo makaka-discount at nandito kayo sa Seattle, pasyalan nyo yung Target kasi ang daming discount dito. Yan. Come on, let's go boys. Let's go find Mama then. So big over there. Oh, wait. I think I want to buy this one. SpongeBob. Paborito nila to is SpongeBob. So ayan mga katrops, itong area naman to, mga home decor. Ayan, mga kusina. Ayan. At saka, tingnan mo to, murang-mura lang to mga katrops. Oh, Pullman. Ayan. Fellows, 850 lang mga katrops. Yung kulay blue naman o violet, $7. Mura na to. Kung may discount yun eh. Kaya tama o. Meron pang 25% discount. Yan eh. Madaming discount dito sa Target. Yan eh. So, tingnan ito. So, mga pang-bat. Yan. Kaya magaling mag-alo dito sa Target eh. Mamili. Ayan, may mga chocolate oh. Chocolate ba yan? Let's go find this. Circle deals. Let's go find the circle deals. Yeah, you look at this. See? Ito yung tinatawag ng circle deals mga katrops. Go find, oh, 99 cents. Look at this. This. Oh, 99 cents mga katrops. Kita mo gano'n ka mura lang to. See? See, Feastables. Feastables is only $1.49.
No, we're doing buttercups.
See, look. Oh, show to the mga katrops.
Buttercups.
Look, Feastables.
New Feastables.
Yeah, go check it
New
out.
Feastables are only in USA.
Yan yung sinasabi ko mga katrops sa inyo. Sa Target, mura talaga. Tingnan mo. Oh. Circle deals. Yan. Mga chocolate. Pagpapackage yun sa Pilipinas. Yan. No, not that one. The small one. Ayan, nagkakagulo na. Naghanap ng mga chocolate. What? Go get Feastables. Hurry up. See? Oh. Kita mo? Oh, look at this. Oh, meron silang mga M&M's na ano, galing. Ibang kulay. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Only one by one. Go about Kathleen. Go give Kathleen. So yan mga katrops ha. Oh. Pag may nakita kayong circle deals, katulad nito ha. Oh yan oh. Circle deals. 50% off. Yan. Bumili na kayo agad. Go get some more boys so that we cannot come back here anymore. Maybe next time. I don't know. See? Pagka may nakakita na kayong mga...
I take none.
Why you open it? Oh my God, yung binuksan na yung tsokolate. Come on, let's go.
You're open with the chicken. Look,
Yan.
look, is it the base?
Oh look, this one is from the Seattle. See?
It's called Seattle.
Seattle. See? Look, made from Seattle. Look at the flowers. See? How much? How much the flower? No price? Go check it out. See? Mga seeds to mga katrops. Itong area to mga seeds to. Kasi maganda yung mga bulaklak dito sa Seattle mga katrops. Nakaharap kasi ito sa Pacific eh, kaya yung buga ng hangin at ang klima ay maganda. Ewan ko lang kung mabubuhay yun sa Alberta. Magkano ba yung seeds nila? Ito na. Walang price eh. Mamaya balikan natin yan. So yan. Yeah, it's over there. Go check it out. Yeah, the girls is downstairs. Go downstairs. At ako yung mag-ikot-ikot muna dito. Alright.
Super cool.
Yeah, super cool. Ito yung kagandahan dito sa Target mga katrops eh. Yung supper cart mo, no? Tingnan mo yan, oh. May sariling escalator yan. Yan. Only in Target mga katrops. May sariling escalator yung shopping cart. Right? I'm gonna check over here because I'm gonna you like it? There's a escalator for the shopping cart only, right? Kid, you're ready here, kid?
No, Papa, I want to get No.
Let kid not do it. You go with mama. Oh, tingnan mo tong dalawa. Oh, yan oh, see? Woo, Kathleen! At mga katrops, kung hindi nyo pala alam yung mga presyo, ito, scan nyo lang yung barcode dito at lalabas na yung price dyan. Alright? Oh, that's the Target over here. Let's go over here. Nakakapagod mga katrops. Kanina pa kami dito.
What's that?
Paikot-ikot. Yeah.
Normal person.
Tama ah. Oh. Alas 8 na ng gabi, pero maliwanag pa rin dito sa Seattle.
Oh,
Yeah, look.
there's one right there.
Yeah. Ang nakakalungkot kasi dito sa Seattle.
Oh no,
mga
that's
kapatid.
the one. There's like a whole group.
Ano? See? Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong nakakalungkot dito sa city ng Seattle.
The only downside is
Yeah, the downside. Ano, what is the downside, Marley?
the homeless people.
Yeah, the
It
homeless
smells so
people.
bad.
Yeah.
Like my nose is on fire.
Look at this, oh. Tingnan mo yan. Anong pinagagawa ng mga homeless dyan? Grabe talaga. Buong street yan, mga katrops. Parang nagkalat yung homeless nila dito, mga katrops. Grabe. Masobra pa sa Canada. Ayan, oh. Ano yan? Oh. Yan yung nakakalungkot dito sa Seattle, mga katrops. Kasi yung mga tao dito, talagang parang zombie na yung naglalakad na gano'n, no? Well, how do you walk, Marley? How do you walk?
It's not Plants vs. Zombies. It's
Yeah.
police versus zombies.
Yeah, parang may war zone kanina doon eh. Sa may may street na yan. Right, Marley?
Yeah.
There's lots of, oh my goodness. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, pagka dumayo kayo dito sa Seattle,
And they will.
maging vigilante kayo kasi ang dami talagang mga homeless dito tsaka atik sa lugar na to, mga tops. Ako nang nagsasabi, mga tops, mag-ingat kayo. So hanggang dito na lang siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Target, mga katrops. At see you on the next vlog or expedition dito sa Seattle.
I'm on-
Supersonics.
Mother chokes and this is how they walk. Yeah, like that.
Peace out.
Bye bye.